Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can register or create your Exness account. So in order to register your Exness account, I'm using an application. So in order to do that procedure, first of all, you need to install the application. For that, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Exness and then install the application. Since I've already installed, so I'm just gonna click on the open button and then log in into my Exness account or open up my Exness app. So basically you have to go ahead and tap on the register button located right at the bottom. Now go ahead and select the country of your resident. After you've done that, mark on the terms and go to the continue button. You have to provide in the email address, so make sure to provide in the email address and click on the continue button located right at the bottom. Since you're creating an account, you have to create a password. So for that, go through the mentioned criteria and enter in the password as well. Here you go, you've successfully created your Exness account. Now all you have to do is just verify your identity. For that, you need to click a photo of your documents, and after you've done that, then you've successfully created your account. So here you can see that I'm logged in, which means that I've successfully created my account. Now all I need to do is just verify my account and then I will be able to trade on Exness. So in this way you can register your Exness account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.